Welcome to Sewing Chatter. I'm Kristen. It's been a wild week over here. Like so many people, we are working on adapting and adjusting to our new circumstances of self-isolation and quarantining and staying away from everybody else, which has meant that while I know a lot of people have already started this, my husband just started working from home this week, and that has been an adjustment. I'm very fortunate. I have a bedroom to call my sewing room all to myself. I don't typically have to share. But as of this week, my husband is now sharing that room with me. And it has been quite the process because initially we set up the room just for him. And I quickly shoved all my stuff into corners and machines off to all over the place. They were shoved into every corner. Um, and it's been a little crazy. So now we've been making changes, a little bit of furniture changes, and trying to sort it out because honestly, I need to be able to create and to sew, particularly when things are really crazy. And on the plus side, it has given me a great opportunity to work on all my works in progress because it's shocking when you pile them all up together how many there can sometimes be. So I am working on that. I'm going to show you a few clips of how this sewing room has changed this week. It has gone through a few incarnations, and but I'm very fortunate to be able to share the space with my husband, and I look forward to seeing how this all works in the long run. I will never be accused of being a tidy seamstress or, organized. I definitely don't pick up after myself all that often when I'm sewing. Um, But yeah, when I first got the news that my husband was going to be working from home, I definitely panicked. I looked around this sewing room and went, "Oh no, where is it all going to go?" There was half-started projects all over the place, and fabric and machines. Yeah, so needless to say, we got a whole bunch of it cleaned up, and then we got it set up for my husband to work. So the desk basically became my husband's, machines shoved onto other surfaces and into the corners, and it helped a lot. However, it was not working. It didn't. There was no proper space for me to work. So then we got rid of the desk and got a new desk from IKEA. And that has opened up the room so much. I've been shocked at how much more open this room feels now that we've got this desk that sits nicely against the wall. Very fortunate for that. So that's how my sewing routine and room has changed this week. And I know there's going to be more changes as time goes by and we have to settle into this lifestyle for a while. Please let me know what you're having to do. Have you had to change where you're sewing or how you're sewing? Because I'm sure a lot of you are dealing with spouses working from home as well, or at home, and children at home and not at school. Changes a lot of how we interact and how we sew, what we sew, when we sew, how much time we have to sew. So let me know what's going on in the comments. If you'd like to catch more of my videos, please subscribe. Thank you for joining me on Sewing Chatter.